Weather Channel.
A high wind warning is in effect.
Dreaming of a white Christmas.
Currently in our area, 53 degrees with rain and windy conditions.
Where those treetops listen and children listen to hear sleigh bells in the snow. The snow.
Today, rain and wind, high 55. Winds could occasionally gust over 60 miles per hour.
With a heavy creep.
Tonight, some clouds, low 38. Winds west-northwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Here's our 7-day outlook.
Your Christmases be white.
Got some new pictures in to the Weather Channel to show you this of storm damage in central Florida. Polk County Fire Rescue says one person was injured after storms blasted through a quadruplex near Lake Wales. It happened just before 10 a.m. this morning.
One woman was taken by ambulance to a local hospital. Officials say a possible tornado spawned by a line of severe storms may be to blame for the collapse. And this year, the deadly and destructive California wildfires will go down in history.